Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Hua. Today's tutorial is going to be super easy. I'll be making chicken lo mein using spaghetti noodles. I'm using chicken tender breast, but feel free to use chicken thigh. The recipe link will be listed down below. I'm going to marinate the chicken and I am using some coconut aminos, but feel free to use some soy sauce. I love the flavor of oyster sauce, so that's what I'm also going to use to marinate the chicken. I love the smell and also the flavor of sesame oil, so I'm also going to marinate the chicken using the sesame oil. Add in some salt and cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to keep your chicken tender super moist, and it's also going to lock in the moisture, so then it will prevent your chicken tender from being dry when you cook it. Mix everything together and let your chicken rest for about 15 minutes. While your chicken is marinating, let's get ready to prepare your vegetables. Now, I'm trying to use everything that I have in my fridge, so all I had was some spring onions, and I just cut them lengthwise. If you have other vegetables that you would like to use in this dish, please feel free. I'm using 1 large clove of garlic. If you only have small cloves of garlic, use at least 2 and roughly chop it. Set aside your sliced green onions and your chopped garlic. I'm using some thin spaghetti that you can find at any local grocery store, and I'm trying to avoid the grocery stores right now, so I'm using what I have on hand. And just cook it according to your package. I seasoned the pot of water with salt and some olive oil, and here I have 6 ounces of the thin spaghetti noodles that I am boiling. Once your noodles are cooked, save a little bit of the pasta water and drain the rest and set it to the side. Feel free to use any cooking oil you have on hand. Now, I didn't use a special wok or anything. It's just a regular pan. And I'm going to add in the chopped garlic. And it's going to infuse a lot of good flavor in that oil to boost up your lo mein. I also added in the marinated chicken. Stir your chicken and your garlic together. Your chicken's going to cook up pretty fast. That cornstarch is going to really lock in the moisture of your chicken breast so then it won't dry out. This recipe makes 2 servings. Then you'll want to add in your green onions and save a little bit to the side, or else you're going to have to cut up some more onions. And give it a quick stir. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you know when I'll come out with another tutorial. Add in your cooked spaghetti noodles, and also remember how you saved a little bit of that pasta water. You also want to add some of it in to help loosen the thin spaghetti noodles. Now you want to add in some more oyster sauce just to flavor the noodles and to give it that nice color. And we're also going to add in some more coconut aminos. I did not add any more salt just because I tasted it and the oyster sauce and the coconut aminos was perfect. This is optional. You can add in some black pepper, some red pepper, and I like it spicy, so I also added in some chili oil. Just mix everything up and you are basically done. Plate and serve, and I guarantee you, your family is going to love this dish. And I just garnished it a little bit more with some green onions. I really hope you enjoyed my chicken lo mein thin spaghetti noodles. And if you do make it, make sure you tag me on Instagram and let me know down below what you would like to see next. Thanks so much for watching. Stay well and stay safe. Bye.